Hey signers, let's talk about conversations. We hear all the time, I want to have a basic conversation with a deaf person. Well, by the end of this video, you will have the skills to have a basic conversation in ASL today. Of course, we don't want you to stop here, so sign up for our newsletter. Each week, I personally share ways you can expand your ASL skills. And today's video is sponsored by Skillshare. More on them later. So let's learn how to sign conversation signs. Let's chat about an actual conversation in ASL. Here are 3 tips to guide you through basic ASL conversation. Number 1, when signing to someone who is deaf, be sure to turn off your voice. When you talk at the same time, which is called simcom, it causes you to sign in English grammar. ASL is its own language and has its own grammar. At the end of the vocabulary, I give you examples on how to actually use these signs in ASL grammar. Number 2, it is incredibly important to maintain eye contact. Think about when you're talking to someone and they are on their phone texting, and you feel like they're not paying attention to you, because in all honesty, they aren't. Breaking focus when signing with a deaf person is just like that. It can be considered extremely rude. And number 3, practice and try your best. If all you do is just watch a few ASL videos but never put it to practice, you won't get to see the results. It's just like getting a gym membership and never actually going. You have to show up daily and put in the work. So, let's get to work. Hello. Hello. Your dominant hand is coming out from your forehead. Hello. What's up? What's up? Your middle fingers are put on the chest and they're going upwards. And you put an attitude like, what's up? What's up? How or how. You're doing the sign how, but make sure that your eyebrows are down because it's a WH question. How? How? You. You're using your index finger and pointing to you. You. Good or well, or good or well. Your hand is coming from your chin down to your non-dominant hand. Good or well, good or well. Morning, morning, because the sun is coming up in the morning. Morning. Afternoon, afternoon. Think of where the sun is in the afternoon. Afternoon. Night, night. Think of where the sun is at night. Night. Me or I. Use your index finger and point it toward yourself. Me or I. Name, name. You got your 2 fingers close together and bounce on top of each other. Name. Fine. Fine. Your 5 hand is coming right up to your chest. Fine. So-so. So-so. Your hand is flipping back and forth. So-so. Tired. Tired. It's showing your body slumped over when you're tired. Tired. Excited. Excited. Your feeler fingers are moving up on your chest. Excited. Happy. Happy. Your 2 hands are flat, going right over your chest, coming up like in a happy motion. Happy. Deaf or deaf. It can go either way. It's just pointing to your mouth and your ear. Deaf. Hard of hearing. Hard of hearing. It's HH for hard of hearing. 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 This is referencing that hearing people talk a lot. Hearing. Learn. Learn. You're picking up something and putting it in your head. Learn. ASL, or American Sign Language.
ASL. Again or repeat. Your dominant hand is coming into the middle of your hand. Again or repeat. Please. Please. It's a flat hand making a circle on your chest. Please.
Slow. Slow. Your non-dominant arm is out straight with your dominant right on top, and you move it slowly along your arm. Slow.
Sign. Sign. Your hands are moving in towards yourself, referencing like you're signing. Sign. What? What? Your 5 hands are kind of bent in together, moving in and out. What? Yes. Yes. Your hand is representing your head, nodding. Yes. Not, don't, doesn't. Your thumb is just flicking out from your chin. Not, don't, doesn't. Thank you. Thank you. Your dominant hand is coming out from your chin. Thank you.
Take care. Take care. You have 2 K hands with the dominant hand bouncing on top of the non-dominant one. Take care.
Goodbye. Goodbye. It's just like you're waving goodbye. Goodbye.
And now it's time to put these signs into sentences. What's up? How are you? What's up? How you? I'm so excited I'm learning ASL. Me excited? Learn ASL, me. My name is Sally. What's your name? Me name Sally. You name what you. Yes, can you please sign that again? Yes. Sign again, please. Thank you for signing slowly. Take care. Thank you. Sign slow. Take care. Now that you've learned these 30 conversational signs, go through our 6-part Essential Signs series, where you can learn 150 new signs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and get notified. And until next time, keep learning how to sign. I feel like those were good tips. Some like, get off your butt and get moving.